Alright, so in the last video we talked about functions, which was a very important topic in C. So in this video we are going to talk about functions with parameters. It's just that these functions, they require some value to run. It's like when you call them, you pass the variable inside these round brackets or the parentheses. So how are we going to do it? There are mainly two ways of passing the variable, that is pass by value and pass by reference. Let me show you. We will make some changes first. We'll just copy these three lines and paste it here. We'll change the return type of square function, that is int square, and here int number. And now here we'll write we will take another variable, that is sq, and sq is equal to square number, and printf square is equal to %d comma sq. And here, instead of this printf statement, we'll just write return number. So let's try and run this. And an integer number 4, the square is 16. So what we are doing here is that we have taken the variable number inside the main function. We wrote the statement sq is equal to square of number. According to the declaration of the function, the square function expects an integer value as an input parameter. So we passed this number inside the square function, which is also an integer variable. So now the square function calculates the square of the entered number and returns the value to the main function again, and this square function is then replaced with its returned value, and which is stored inside this sq variable, and then we are printing the sq variable. So this is call by value. Here the value of the variable number is copied and stored into another variable which was created into the square function. So whatever changes we make into this local variable won't be reflected into the number variable of the main function. So when we calculate the square of the number, we again have to return the value to the main function. Hence we used the return statement. So in this tutorial, we learned how we can use function parameters. So that's it for this tutorial. See you later.